Hello everyone, it's Rob here, and I've got something really exciting to tell you. My brand new book, The Draw with Rob activity book, is out now. It's published. You can get it from anywhere that you get your books from. So you can get it online at Waterstones or Amazon, any of those kind of places, but you can also get it in bookshops, and I think if you do have a local bookshop, then that's where you probably should get it from. We've got to support our local bookshops, haven't we? Otherwise, we won't have local bookshops anymore. But I think if you like my videos, I think you'll really enjoy this activity book. It's got lots of your favourite characters from the draw-alongs that we've done. It's got lots of puzzles, colouring pages, things like that. I'll try and put some up. If I can work out how to do it, I'll put some up on the screen now. So puzzle pages, colouring pages, bits where I've started a drawing and you get to finish that drawing off, that sort of thing. But what's really, really cool is if the paper it's printed on this special paper that's really good for drawing on. So this is one of those rare things, a book that you're allowed to draw in. And what I've done is, next to the draw along page, I've made a little picture frame for you to draw your picture in there. And all the edges of the pages have got these, I don't know if you can see, but they've got these little sort of perforated edges, which means they're really easy to tear out. So once you've done your drawing, you can tear it out, stick it up on the fridge. That'd be really cool. So, do you know what? I really hope that you like this book. I do think if you've liked my videos, you pretty much are guaranteed to like this book. It would make a good present for your friends, if I do say so myself. It's not too expensive. It's just a little bit more than one of those magazines that you might buy in the supermarket. So yeah, I hope you like it. Let me know if you do. Don't forget, you can post pictures of the drawings that you do in the activity book using that hashtag #DrawWithRob, and then I'll get to see it. And if I do see it, I'll tell you how much I like your drawing. Unless I don't like your drawing, but I've never met a drawing that I didn't like yet, so I'm sure I will. Anyway, out now, go and buy it. Please, that would be nice. See you soon, take care.